welcome back to After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a Dark and Stormy. Well, I'm sorry, the Dark N Stormy. Very simple, it's just rum and ginger beer. Don't know the history. In my book it says it's a trademark of Gosling Brothers. Well, I'm using Gosling's ginger beer. So I'm going to use Pusser's rum. I don't have Gosling's rum. We got Pusser's rum. Just good rum. We put about 2 ounces of rum in there. And basically topped with ginger beer. And then stir. And I'm going to let it set. And here's your Dark and Stormy. That ginger beer really helps. Just put a nice spice in there. That's really good. Since I can make this, now I bought some limes and juiced those earlier. I could make a proper mule as well. So let's actually go ahead and make a mule. So a mule is also very easy to make. Put this aside. So need some vodka. I'm gonna use some use some Ciroc for this. Yep, that's Ciroc, French vodka made from French grapes. There's another good brand of vodka that I like. Grey Goose. Grey Goose is my favorite vodka. It's his best vodka. But see, I'm being very specific why I'm naming this cocktail. I'm calling this just a mule. Like, if you see it in like any cocktail book, it's called a Moscow Mule. But since Putin thought it was a good idea to invade Ukraine, naming anything with some sort of Russian connotation is a bad idea. Russia is doing awful things to the Ukrainian people. Putin has no business doing the things he's doing. He's an awful human being. That's why I'm just calling this a mule. a mule and not a Moscow mule. Mules are an interesting class of cocktail because you can do it with anything. You just need some spirit like gin, rum, vodka, tequila, whiskey, brandy, lime juice, and ginger beer. It's like a Blanken tonic or a martini. Now that's great. This is the shit. A lot of my friends sing very high praises of the mule, and I can see why. It's one of the best things I've ever had. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.